Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to back everyone my channel Vijay tutorial point. Today topic is the networking tutorials. Is the main topic is today is the networking topology architecture. What is the networking topology architecture? The two-try networking topology. Two-try networking topology is the flat arc hubs core design. It consists of two-layer access layer and designing it core layer in this organization where the networking is smaller and scalability and complexity are not much. Corner generally adapt this type of architecture is the topology to try networking topology for your reference. This is the image. You observe this scenario. In the small office network, two-trade topology may be considered access switching connections and use devices such as a computer and printers. In the access layer is those access switching are then connected to core switch or router which is provided connectivity to other networking. The three-try networking, it is the three-try networking topology is the three-layer architecture in which is networking divided into access layer, distribute layer, core layer. The three-tier networking topology is mainly used access layer, distribute layer, core layer. It provides better scalability, flexibility, and networking segment compared to the two-tier design. Here it is the three-tier networking topology diagram for your reference. Scenario in this enterprise networking three-tier topology may be constant of access switches in the access layer connecting end user devices. Those access switches are then connected distribution switch in the distribution layer which is provided connectivity between access switching and aggregate traffic. The distribution switch or the feature connected to core switch into the core layer which is and a high speed backbone connections connected to other network. Spin leaf networking topology architecture. The spin leaf networking topology architecture is the referred to leaf spin or closed architecture. It is highly scalable and highly performance design, frequently employed in large data centers to cloud environmental facilities. Low latency and non-blocking communication among devices ensure efficiency and rapid data transmission. Here is the spin and leaf network topology for your reference. You observe this diagram. Scenario in this data center spin leaf topology may be constant of the storage device. The sleep switches are the connected to the spin switches in the spin layer which is provide connectivity between the leaf switches and this facility provide into continuous between leaf switches and facility to east-west traffic. This designing ensures that any device in the networking can be reached any other device within a minimum latency. WAN networking topology. This WAN wide area networking topology architecture refers to networking architecture used to intercom geographical disappear locations, branch office. Here is the WAN topology in which branch office, regional office, remote office, and data centers connected. There can be outstanding branches which are connected to the WAN infrastructure data center. This diagram. Observe scenario in this multi-site organization. WAN topology may be involved multiple branches of his connecting to the central headquarters. Each branch's office typically has it is own local area networking LAN connected. The router which is established connection with WAN. This is the WAN networking can be implemented using technology such as the leading MLPC multi-protocols, label switching, VPN virtual private networking, SD-WAN software defined wide area networking. The small office, home office is the SOHO networking topologies. SOHO networking topology generally used small office, other home offices, typical SOHS networking topology. For your reference, laptop and router, internet and access point, switch and desktop. In this home office setup, SOS topology may be involve signal router gateway device that connected to internet service provider ISP. The end user device such as the laptops and phones extra can be connected to the router via wireless or desktop service can also be connected router through wired open permission cloud networking topology architecture and networking architecture design use both on permissions and cloud networking for developing networking resources. Permissions mean developing networking devices infrastructure. This scenario is a hybrid cloud environmental permission networking resources such as service storage and switching or interconnection to cloud resource through the dedicated connections or secure VPN tunnel. This on permission network just like an extension of cloud networking which utilize data exchange between the two environmental. Please subscribe my VGR tutorials point. Please share, please like, please comment, please ask network related questions. Thank you once again your VGR tutorials.